I'm back with a new video, and it is very important question asked during the exams. So get ready. So today's topic of discussion is difference between the carcinoma of stomach and pancreas. So difference between the carcinoma of stomach and pancreas. So I will tell the 5 main differentiating features. So first symptom is there is pain in the stomach that radiates to the back. This is a very important feature in pancreas. So the pain radiates to back. But here the pain is not such typical feature, and the pain will not radiates in the back. But in carcinoma of pancreas, the pain will radiates to the back. Then second symptom is nausea and vomiting is marked. Here in carcinoma of pancreas also it is marked. There is presence of nausea and vomiting. But here in case of carcinoma of stomach, it is marked. There is lot of nausea and vomiting. Besides this, in stomach carcinoma, there is hematemesis. That is blood in the vomit. But it is not present in case of carcinoma of pancreas. Then the tumor formed in the pancreas will not move with the respiration because it is fixed to the pancreas. So mass will not move with the respiration, but here it will move with respiration, because in carcinoma of pancreas the mass is fixed to the pancreas. It is in retroperitoneal origin, so it will not move with the respiration. But here it will move with the respiration. Then the fifth difference is the knee-elbow test. So in knee-elbow test, the mass will move forward. Mass will move forward. But here the mass will not move. Mass will not move forward, because that mass is fixed to the pancreas. It is of retroperitoneal origin. So in knee elbow position, in case of carcinoma of pancreas, mass will not move forward, but in case of cancer of the stomach, the mass will move forward. Then the last difference is note. So on percussion, there will be resonant note. Because stomach and intestine is anterior, it is in pancreas. So in percussion, here the resonant in percussion there will be resonant note, because the stomach and intestine is anterior to the pancreas. But in percussion there will be no note, because it is the mass is in the stomach. So resonant note will be noticed during the percussion in the carcinoma of pancreas. And in knee elbow test, the mass will fall forward in case of carcinoma of stomach. But in case of carcinoma of pancreas, the mass will not move forward, and it will not move with the respiration because it is fixed. But in case of carcinoma of stomach, it will move with the respiration. There the marked feature is hematemesis, that is blood in the vomit. pain is not so typical of character, but in case of carcinoma of pancreas, the pain is of typical character that radiates into the back, and it will start in the abdomen, but it will radiates into the back.